Anata Humanversity is a luxury rehabilitation center in Mumbai that offers to live with counselors 24/7, professional counseling, coaching for life, yoga or meditation and tools for emotional stability, as per the individual's requirement. This rehab center mostly caters to the elite and affluent class of people who are dealing with major drug, alcohol problems. They have the best state-of-the-art facilities and inbuilt with a villa and a 3 or 4 bedroom apartment with other facilities like in-house cook, gym and swimming pool. The interiors of this rehab center is exclusively posh and the ambience provided is luxurious and exclusive. में एक लग्जरी पुनर्वास केंद्र है जो व्यक्ति की आवश्यकता के अनुसार 24/7 काउंसलर, पेशेवर परामर्श, जीवन के लिए कोचिंग, भावनात्मक स्थिरता के लिए योग और ध्यान और उपकरण प्रदान करता है। यह पुनर्वसन केंद्र ज्यादातर उन लोगों के कुलीन और संपन्न वर्ग को पूरा करता है जो प्रमुख दवा, शराब की समस्याओं से जूझ रहे हैं। उनके पास सबसे अच्छी अत्याधुनिक सुविधाएं हैं और एक विला और 3 या 4 बेडरूम अपार्टमेंट के साथ इनबिल्ट इन हाउस कुक, जिम और स्विमिंग पूल जैसी अन्य सुविधाएं हैं। इस पुनर्वसन केंद्र के अंदरूनी हिस्से विशेष रूप से पॉश है और प्रदान किया गया माहौल शानदार और विशिष्ट है। हेड ऑफिस एड्रेस 70170 सेकंड, दिवानी महल, ओपो NGC कॉलोनी, जुहू स्कीम, गुलमोहर रोड No. 1, गुलमोहर कॉलोनी, जुहू, मुंबई, महाराष्ट्र 400049 9967334000 9867007766 vandana@anata.in।
One, in this manner, these are the tools, the meditations, the counseling, the writing are the tools that we are giving to our clients to deal with their past, because one has to deal with one's past in order to be present and to go ahead into a future that we want to live realistically. Hence, it is very essential that this entire package of ours, it is a one-on-one counseling, the writing, the meditations and everything put together helps the person to arrive at a realistic self within oneself. The various meditation techniques that we have incorporated in our treatment process are very psychotherapeutic, and in our experience, from the time we have incorporated meditations into our treatment program, we at Anatta have seen our recovery rates increasing exponentially, to the extent that today our recovery rate stands at around 75 to 80%, which is very rare in the field. What is meditation? Meditation, according to me, is being aware of my surroundings, my ambient surroundings, my thoughts, feelings, actions, and what is happening within myself. What does our mind do? Our mind takes us to the past or to the future. It does not allow us to remain here now in this present moment. And in the case of an addict, someone who is using any substance, the intoxicated mind is always roiling in the past or making plans for the future which are fantastical and have nothing to do with reality, because there is no execution of those plans that are being made. So what does the meditation process do? It allows one to use some technique, whether it's music, dance, in the process using one's body to enable one to remain in the present moment. How does that help in addiction? In addiction, it helps by the person who is addicted to a substance being more aware of one's thoughts, feelings, emotions, and also emotions that have been suppressed in life, which get stored in the cells of the body as cellular memory, resurface and get resolved and settle down as a consequence of practice of different meditation techniques. And in the case of people who are addicted to substances, especially illicit drugs, when they come into treatment, the mind runs too fast. The mind is very restless. Every meditation technique helps in slowing that mind naturally, helps in calming that mind naturally. It also helps in enhancing sleep. So the person who is suffering, who is unable to sleep for years together without the usage of substance, eventually comes to a normalized sleeping pattern.